Down in 3, 2, 1, go.
Beginning our autonomous period for qualification match 16. Our matches have been clipping along today as we have all 4 robots successfully scoring on various junctions around the field. Remember, each of these cones scored at this field is going to be additional points than if they had been scored during the driver-controlled period. 1, 3, 3, 5, 6, taking those red cones and unfortunately missing that latest score. But fortunately, their partners are, yes, successfully scoring in the upper junction as we end our autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
As we begin our driver-controlled period, our robots immediately beginning motion as 1, 3, 3, 5, 6 is immediately trying to recapture, actually change the capture of one of those mid-level junctions to the Red Alliance, and then immediately going in and owning one of the high-level junctions. Looks like the high-level junctions are a little bit empty this time around because Stoy Fission has been stacking all of their cones on a middle junction, which is an interesting strategy because, again, that's worth a little less points than if they've been stacking them on a high junction, but I'm sure they've got a plan for it. They are really aiming for ownership here. Meanwhile, their partners on the Red Alliance, Juniper Robotics, are aiming for high junctions themselves. Sorry, Red Alliance's Juniper Robotics, Ice Robotics 11329 is Ice Robotics scoring on those high junctions. Juniper Robotics is actually aiming for this low junction over here, and now is moving over to capture a low junction on the other side of the field. It looks like we're going for a lot of medium and low junctions from the Blue Alliance, while the Red Alliance is scoring slower, however, still effectively on those high junctions and the middle junctions. With 60 seconds left in the match and 30 seconds left till endgame, we're seeing how this match is developing over time. 1-6-4-4-2, Juniper Robotics picking up yet another blue cone and scoring into that upper junction as 1-3-3-5-6 shortly following up behind on another upper junction. Looks like we've got 3 red upper junctions, 2 red middle junctions, and 1 blue upper junction, 2 blue middle junctions, and a few blue lower junctions. It's going a little bit slow, but it's going a little bit close because these robots are trying to score and own these junctions, and it looks like the Red Alliance is taking their time as we're entering the end game. That middle junction is stacked up almost to the top, which is not something you see often these days. It looks like, oh, unfortunately a miss from Stoy Fission trying to capture that back. We're in our endgame now, though, so we're trying to permanently own some of these junctions. And it looks like Red Alliance maybe getting that upper junction for themselves, maybe not, but the Blue Alliance definitely getting an upper junction for themselves in ownership with only 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. An end of another match. Definitely an interesting one, not something